Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about Git rebase. In the previous sessions we have talked about merge operation. We have also talked about different kind of merge that we do. That is a three-way merge and a fast forward merge. In this video we'll talk about first of all what's the difference between a rebase and a merge operation in Git, and then we'll say how to perform a Git rebase operation. So for those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like icon and press the bell icon as well for more updates from my side. Let's get started. So first of all, what exactly is a rebase? To understand this, I'll just open one of my project. So this is the project that I've already worked on. In this project, I have performed a merge. So in this case, you can see a fast forward merge or a three-way merge actually was done, where I have some check-ins done over here in the master branch, which is on the right side over here, and I did some more check-ins on a secondary branch, and then I tried to merge it. In this case of merge, a third commit was created, which was having a two parent over here. So it will have one parent that is this parent and another parent that is this parent. So this commit will have two parents, and this is called a merge operation in which two branches are merged together, and the commit that is created out of this merge will always have two parents, and we can always go back and check the history. But in case of a rebase, if you go back to our diagram, what happens in rebase is, so let's say in this case of the scenario where we were having a diagram something like this, where we have a commit, 4 commit that was made on a master branch, and then we had 2 commits made on a dev branch. When we try to perform a rebase, in this case what happens is Git will create the same number of commit that is present in a dev branch, and it will align it over here. And the old commit that are present over here will be discarded, and it will go for a garbage collection case. And these two commits, or the commits that is created newly, will start pointing to the last commit of the rebase or the base branch. So in case of us, it's master. The pointer of master and the head will move to the last commit of the newly created commit series. So just to add again the same thing, the difference between rebase and merge is used to merge multiple branches, in which the new commit that is created after merge operation will point to the parents that is on the branches that has been merged. So the last commit of the merge branch, let's say in case of us, let's say branch 1, and the last commit of the rebase or the base branch, that is master, will be the parent for the newly created commit in case of merge. But in case of rebase, multiple commits is created freshly, which is a copy of the new branch which you're trying to rebase it to the master branch, and the old commits that has been created in this case over here, that is in the gray section, will be going for a garbage collection case, and this will no longer be used by us. The number of commits that has been created will start pointing to the last commit of the base branch, that is master in our case, and the master pointer as well as the head pointer will move to the last commit of the commit series that has been created. So now we'll try to do one thing. We'll try to create or recreate this particular commit series in our local remote repository or local repository in my case. So I'll open my terminal and I will go back to my desktop and I will create one directory. Quickly I will do it. I will name it as, let's say, rebase repo. I will initialize it. You can see it's initialized. Now for the sake of simplicity, I'll open my Visual Studio Code and I'll open this particular repository from my desktop, which is rebase repo. So you can see there is nothing created over here. So I'll again go back to my diagram. So I need to have 2 commits created first. So I will say common file1.txt, commit this. I will say is added. I will commit this, create one more file with name common file2, and I will go and commit this change also. So now we have created 2 files. I will open my source tree and I will open one more file over here. So I will just quickly go on open and I will say from rebase repo, and you can see 2 files or 2 commits has been done on the master branch. And I will do one thing. I will create one more branch at this place. So I will go back to my terminal. I will say git branch dev branch, And now if I go to our source tree, we can see now 2 branches has been created. So we are good at this particular point. Now currently we are at master branch. So I will do one thing. I will create 2 more files in the master branch, and then we'll see how to do it. So I will just quickly create 2 more files. So I will go back to our Visual Studio Code. It's pointing to master again, and I will create 2 more branch. I'll say master1 dot or master file, apologies, file.txt. So we have created this file. I will commit this file, say it is added, check in the commit. I will create one more file from master. I will say file2 dot or common file2.txt, and I will give the name over here, and I will say is added. Commit these changes, go back to our source tree. So you can see now dev branch has 2 commits and master branch has 4 commits. Now I will do one thing. I'll create 2 more commits in dev branch. So I will go back to our Visual Studio Code and I will go to dev branch. The dev branch will have only 2 commits over here. So I will create one more commit. I will say dev branch 1.txt. So this is the file name. I will commit it. I will say dev branch 1.txt is added, and it is done. If I go back to a source tree, so you can see now dev has 1 commit and master has 2 commit. I will do one more thing. I will simply add one more file just to be in the same sync with our presentation. So I will say dev branch 2.txt. I will commit this. I will say file is added. Now if we see here, in this case now we have 2 commits in dev branch and 2 commits in master branch. Again, to reiterate, if in case we are using a merge operation, in this case a new commit will be created something over here, and this new commit will have 2 parents. One will be this parent, another will be this parent. That is the last commit from master and dev branch, and we can always go back and check the history. But in case of rebase, we will not do that. So in case of rebase, we'll add 2 more commits, that is these 2 commits over here, and a new 2 commit will be created. So I'll just go back to our steps. So we have to first check out to a dev branch, then we'll rebase to master, then check out to master and merge dev branch. So I'll just start doing it. So I will say git check out to dev branch. So we are already in dev branch, it's good. I'll say git rebase master. So you can see rebase is done. I'll do again a git check out master. We have switched to master. Now we'll try to merge it. So if you go back and check the presentation over here, so this is the first step that we have done. We have tried to move our pointer of head from master to dev branch. That is by doing a checkout. We did that. Then we did a rebase. That's also done. Now we are trying to do a merge. So this is step where we have done the git checkout to master again. So the head moved again from dev branch to master branch. And now we're trying to do a git rebase by doing a git merge operation. So I will say git merge, and I will say dev branch. So you can see the merge has been done. It is done by a fast forward merge operation. So it says 2 more file change, 0 deletion, and it has created 2 more commits over here. So if I go back to my source tree, so you can see, so these 2 commits has been newly created. That's over here and that's over here. If you see a timestamp also, so this newly commit has been created over here, and this is the commit ID that has been created by doing a rebase, and that's how we can see it is all working. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.